Typical new build. Good shout, boss man. Get a little maple donut. Taste of your beverage.
Awful.
Don't drop it.
Ah, get ya.
Not a full ticket this one. Morning guys, back here in Harlow. Just waiting for Luke to turn up. I think he's caught in a bit of traffic, so we got a nice little coffee. But when the customer bought the house, he asked the builders to run in a 6mm for the car charger in the garage. So they put a socket on the end of it, just temporary. I literally just missed this on camera. I literally unscrewed it from the front and every terminal like just fell off the cable. Typical new build. No sleeving was on the cables or anything. A nice little classic blowout down there. The plan is we're just gonna take the socket off. We're gonna put a whisker box down low level and we're literally just gonna extend our cable up this side of this garage wall, pop through. We're just going to put the Andersen car charger on the face of this and we'll be able to get the cable through from behind and keep it all looking nice and neat on the front. So I'll wait for Luke to turn up and I'm going to walk him through it, I think, and then at least on future jobs he can sort of be cracking on with the charger while I'm doing stuff in the board or running the cable. So yeah, hopefully talk him through it. Ruben's not with us today, he's at college. Lucky, probably in the warm. I'll get all the stuff unpacked and then we'll walk Luke through it. Unless we do our whisker box here, we need to get a cable out and round up to there.
Has it got to go high?
Well, what we want to do, I reckon, is hold the Andersen up, see where we want to bring our cable into it, and then drill through. Maybe drill at an angle. Angle. Maybe drill so it comes out central in there. Dunno. I'll let you decide, bro. It's your Andersen. Because it's not like a hypervolt and it's going to wrap around and need a holster, so you don't have to put it to one side, allowing for a holster.
Where's the charging bit go?
It wraps all inside.
Inside?
Yeah, the cover goes on that and it wraps all around here.
Ah, but how do you wrap it round when it's inside?
Because these brush plates.
Ah, get ya.
Not a full ticket this
Mate,
one.
I've never seen one.
So yeah, you don't have to allow for the holster, so
yeah.
You can put that bang on centre and you're just going to see the actual box of it. Mm-hmm. So yeah, once you mark it up, make sure you mark where your cable entry is, and then we'll get the hole drilled before we actually screw it on the wall.
There's a cable entry, not central, I'm guessing.
It's bottom right.
Oh, yeah.
So if you get your little marksman, he loves his little marksman.
What one? My
free from CEF, thanks to Jordan Artisan. I usually do 140 to the top, but that's not got a screen, so it can go to 120 to the top, wherever you think looks best.
To the top or bottom, you mean?
So if you hold it up,
yeah.
So 120 would be about that brick.
I'd say a bit higher,
and I'd say about there, on that brick. You got it?
Yep.
Don't drop it. So I want to drill the cable entry through. Where is it? It's on this brick line. I mean, you could try drill it so it come out about here, and then we could just run down and across into that box. If you're feeling lucky, punk.
Won't that blow a couple of bricks off at the back, going through all that sort of angle?
Well,
I know from that side we're fine.
You're on that cement line, so as long as you keep the drill bit level,
yeah,
it's going to come out on a cement line because there's no cavity.
Yeah.
Do you want to stick your level on top of the SDS? Got a little coffee this morning from Tim Hortons. They said if I fill out this receipt, I'll get a free donut, so might go there for lunch, get a little maple donut. Angle-wise, about that, do you reckon?
Yeah. Oh.
about that by the time it comes through.
Yeah. I reckon a little bit more.
Yeah, that'll do. Tug of war.
Yeah, it's true.
Just, yeah, that should be alright. Shouldn't need the other bit then.
Yeah.
Maybe poke it from this side and then you've only got a little bit like that into the top of the box. If we do the box, do that one in the centre and then that one could go in the right. So rethink, rewind. Why don't we clip that up straight?
Just go into there.
Put the box there.
Yeah.
And that can literally just
Straight
go.
into there.
It's going to come through here and then up through that stuffing gland.
What's all these
Other
for
way.
then?
Live, neutral, earth.
Nose.
Don't worry about them, they're like data connections which we're not using. These ones are where we terminate the plug into and it comes through a stuffing gland there. Please rate the overall satisfaction with your experience at this Tim Hortons restaurant.
Can I use your tool, please? Because I might buy one.
The strippy thing,
Yeah.
You don't want to go like, you see,
Into the
if you go, that's
second
going to go in a bit, so you want to make the blade a bit shorter.
Cool.
And you can always just try on the end.
Yeah.
Wrap round, turn.
Do not leave a slightly longer bit on the under sheath on this one.
I'll tell you what, it could be good to leave the white
Yeah.
up until it gets into that
Yeah.
stuffing gland, so good shout, boss man. Maybe do that. Give that a go. Survey session is timed out. Start survey. Curbside. Well,
We walked in.
accuracy of your order. Yeah, press a screen. Taste of your beverage.
Awful.
Dissatisfied. Which of the following areas would you focus on to improve the speed of the service?
Every area possible.
The time I wait in line to know that placing the order was right.
Yeah.
Time it takes to receive my food, definitely. I know it's all weird because that's going to be in the wall and then you want this bit to enough to bend up and the white bit come to about here. Where's the button to put it back in?
Push that across.
How do you flip it?
You can't. I know.
Corey's
I'm
one
sure you
flips.
can. No, look, if you leave it out a
Oh,
little
you
bit.
didn't get
No, look,
same
ready?
as Corey. Oh, you got the cheap one.
No, it's just not used enough yet, so it's still tight.
Need some WD-40 in it. Luke's just fixing up the car charger, so just gonna get the whisker box ready. Gonna stick one of these whisker earth nuts in so we can earth the armour in. We'll just bring the cable up, put a whisker box on it, probably down about there, and then we'll stuff in gland with our cable going out to the car charger. Shame the guys that built the house and run the cable in didn't leave it long enough straight for the charger, but what can you do, eh? Make the best of what you're given. Oh, lovely. So you just loosen these.
Yep, slide it in.
Slide it in, and then in the bag there's more that you put in the other ones. Cool. Same with that side.
Yep.
This one's a bit different. You have like some little screws that go in.
Yeah.
And I think the bottom just pushes on. Maybe, right, like that one. 25.6, 25.6. So I'll write that down over here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So that's the end of the job. Luke's done his first Andersen, Ruben done his first fuse board. Nice little garage install, and yeah, not too far to drive. So hopefully some more of these and some other stuff as well as car chargers, because it just makes things a bit interesting. So hopefully you learned some things or found something useful, and catch you on the next one.